early as next week? Kasi after all, uupo na next week, sir, yung
Yes.
bagong...
Especially the new senators.
Yeah.
Dapat nabibrief na sila dyan. Ano ba ang mga special thrust ng foreign policy? Ano ba ang magiging reaction? Even the Defense Department should do that.
So, kanino manggagaling yung initiative? Pwede ba silang magkusa?
The Senate can call them.
Magre-request ang Senate.
Oh, the Senate can call them.
Hindi dapat pala, sir, ang request, sir, is through Senate President Soto for
Yeah,
you to provide-
I'm openly suggesting to Senator Soto that we call the Foreign Affairs Department as well as the Defense Department to give us an advance briefing on what is happening and regularly. Kahit na select committee within the Senate.
Nasabi niyo na kay SP Soto, sir?
Nung ko pa sinabi yun eh.
Anong response?
Yeah, ginawa for a while, tapos wala.
So, basahin ulit ko lang, sir, yung suggestion kay S.
Yeah,
Soto.
I
to
said that
provide
about
the
maybe 2 years ago.
Secretary.
Yeah.
Sir, how regular is regular?
Well, regular when there are crises, dapat kagad masabihan tayo para... Kasi pag hindi nasasabihan, kung ano sasabihin eh, di ba? It wouldn't be a harm if you have a first review for the year. Actually, we should be doing that during the budget, but it wouldn't harm if they do it before the budget.